Good evening. Welcome to Good Health Pharmacy. How may I help you today?
Good evening. I've been having a fever and a bad cough since yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is your temperature right now?
I checked this afternoon. It was around 100.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's a mild fever. Do you also have a sore throat or body aches?
Yes, I have both. My throat hurts when I cough.
Is your cough dry or are you coughing up mucus?
It's mostly dry, but sometimes there's a little mucus.
I see. Do you have any breathing difficulty?
No, my breathing is fine. I just feel weak.
That's common with fever. How long have you been feeling unwell?
Since last night, I felt cold and started shivering.
Did you take any medicine yet?
No, I wanted to ask you first.
That's good. I'll suggest a paracetamol tablet for the fever and body pain and a cough syrup for your cough.
Okay, how often should I take the paracetamol?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours if your fever is above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but do not take more than 4 tablets in 24 hours.
Understood.
For the cough, I'll give you a syrup suitable for dry cough. Take 2 teaspoons 3 times a day after meals.
Will it make me sleepy?
It may cause mild drowsiness. It's better to avoid driving after taking it. That's fine. I'll mostly stay at home. Good. Are you allergic to any medicines?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
Do you have any chronic illnesses like asthma or diabetes?
No, I don't.
That's good. Try to drink warm fluids like tea or soup.
Should I avoid cold drinks?
Yes, avoid cold drinks and ice cream for a few days.
Okay.
Do you have nasal congestion?
Yes, my nose feels blocked sometimes.
I can give you a saline nasal spray. It will help clear your nose.
Is it safe to use?
Yes, it's completely safe and can be used twice daily.
All right, I'll take that too.
Are you getting enough rest?
Not really. I had to attend classes today.
Rest is very important when you have a fever. Your body needs time to recover.
I'll try to rest tomorrow.
That's good. Also, eat light but nutritious food.
I don't feel very hungry.
That's normal. Try eating soup, fruits, or soft rice.
Okay.
If your fever goes above 102 degrees Fahrenheit or lasts more than 3 days, please consult a doctor.
I will.
Also, if your cough becomes severe or you feel chest pain, seek medical help.
Got it.
Do you want vitamin C supplements? They can support your immune system. Yes, that sounds helpful. Take 1 tablet daily after breakfast.
Thank you. How much do I need to pay?
The paracetamol is $3, the cough syrup is $6, the nasal spray is $4, and the vitamin C is $5. The total is $18.
Here's my card.
Please insert it here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here's your receipt and medicines. I've written the dosage instructions on the boxes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Should I take the paracetamol immediately? Yes, if you have a fever now, but take it after eating something.
I'll eat first, then take it.
Good decision. I feel very tired. Is that normal? Yes, fatigue is common with fever. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated.
I'll keep a water bottle near me.
That's a good idea. Can I take a shower? Yes, but use lukewarm water. Avoid cold showers.
Okay.
And try to keep your room well ventilated.
Sure.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
That's good. Ask someone to help you if you feel too weak.
I will.
Also, cover your mouth while coughing to prevent spreading infection. Yes, I'll be careful. If anyone else in your family develops symptoms, they should also take precautions.
I understand.
Do you have a thermometer at home?
Yes, I do.
Check your temperature every 6 hours and keep a record.
That's a good suggestion.
Thank you.
You've been very helpful.
It's my duty. I hope you recover quickly.
I hope so too.
Remember, if your condition worsens, consult a doctor immediately.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Stay safe.